visit our website. Under My Accounts, click on Login. Enter your email address and password. Click Sign In and you will enter in a dashboard section. Scroll down and click on your plan. Click on Start Learning button. You will find all the AI tools on the left. Click on this button to use this window in full screen mode. Click on 7-day or 30-day planner. Select your board. Then select your class. After that, select your subject. Then enter your topic name. Then click Generate button. In some seconds, you will get 7 or 30-day planner on that topic. Thank you for watching.